Leisibon.
Hagasin ng kong jagatayo kata ka khandai tarik ukalaling kor arja apulai ka UDP ka Pynbna yagalis ka ba arj ki Kyrteng ki banyakun ka election MLA arja apulai kini ki kintu bi John Leslie sangma u banyakun na South Tura bar ka Dr. Pynbna sangma ka banyakun na North Tura u John Leslie ulayathu ekarai ka jong u balay kwa bapinias no siya ka seng UDP na mar usoya hab yaki matre kam jagani ka seng bar kata ka long banyakun na ka Bynta ka hok ki riulom.
My focus always have been to protect the rights of the people, the indigenous people. And I have always tried to work on that line. I have tried to work with other political parties, looking at the development prospects in my own way, where I see that I will be able to get opportunity to work for the development of my state. But recent happenings that's been going on in the country during Christmas time and the circulars that you have been talking about right now, what is going on in the South, have been a very serious cause of concern for me. So we decided to review as to with whom we should be working with. We had a series of meetings with my supporters, with people who have been constantly supporting and advising me on matters regarding the welfare of the state. And we felt that ultimately we decided that we should move on and then look for people who have the same thinking about the protection of the indigenous people, the local people. When I'm talking about local people, I'm not talking about the tribals only. People who are the citizens of the state. And in that process, I feel that UDP will be the right choice for me because I have Bynta, who I have known since my university days. We have been studying together, we have worked together, and Paul is there, and Batitost, and I have seen how they have been working for the state of Meghalaya. And I feel that given the opportunity, it will be a very good choice for me to work with the UDP, and I'm very grateful to Bynta and Bachemano who reached out to me also, and the UDP party as a whole for giving me the opportunity to work for the people of Meghalaya.
Ka Dr. Pynbna par klai thu baka kwa ban rong ka seng UDP na ka Bynta ban kintiu yaki kinthai bar kumjuru ban trai na ka Bynta ban ai ka chia da ki khlung ki khana
constituencies. And today we are announcing the name of two candidates from Garo Hills. As you may be knowing, that the first list of candidates announced earlier, that was on the 22nd of November 2022, we have brought out the list of 32 candidates from the UDP. In fact, we were the first party to make the announcement for the list of candidates to contest in the 2023 Assembly elections. Today, for the second time, the State Election Committee has sat, and today we have approved two more candidates from West Garo Hills. Two very prominent faces from West Garo Hills. One is former MLA and former MDC, Mr. John Leslie Sangma, who will be contesting from 51 South Tura. And then another name is Dr. Pynbna Sangma. She's a member of the UDP. She'll be contesting from 50 North Tura. Earlier, she had also contested as an independent in the Assembly elections 2018. And she also contested in the District Council elections in the year 2019 from Tura. So we have these two names whom the State Election Committee has selected today. We have also a number of other names from different constituencies of Garo Hills and also from Khasi Hill. but we will have to wait for the announcement of these, of these aspirants from the different constituencies.
Kubla Shibon.